Morning, fans at home. Happy Friday. I want to get vocabulary of health and medicine. Vocabulary of health and medicine words. 1. Cardiology.
Cardiology.
Very good. Cardiology, meaning
The care and treatment of heart diseases.
the treatment of heart diseases. Very good. Number 2, dentist.
Dentist.
Dentist. Very good. Dentist meaning
A doctor that treats problems.
doctor that treats teeth problems, known as a dentist. 3. Dermatology.
Dermatology.
That is dermatology, meaning
Concerned with skin diseases.
this is concerned with what? Skin diseases. Those that have the skin diseases. This is known as dermatology. Ent.
ENT.
ENT meaning
Ear, nose, and throat.
it means nose, throat. Is known as ent. Gynecology.
Gynaecology.
Gynaecology is known as gynecology, meaning
The treatment of diseases and disorder in women. A woman who is the head of nursing staff in the hospital.
the treatment of diseases. The treatment of diseases is known as what? Gynecology. Matron.
Matron.
Meaning
a woman who is the head of the nursing staff in the hospital.
Matron. Matron. That is the head of nursing staff in hospital. In hospital known as a matron. Mortuary.
Mortuary.
Very good. Mortuary. Mortuary.
A room or building where dead bodies are kept until they are taken to the buried or cremated.
A room where dead bodies are kept. Those are dead. They take them to a mortuary. To the mortuary. Neurology. Neurology. Very good. Meaning
the study of brain disorder.
The study of brain disorder. Anybody that study brain disorder. The study is known as neurology. Obstetrics.
Obstetrics.
Very good. Obstetrics, meaning
deals with the birth of children.
That is birth of children. It deals with the birth of children. It's known as birth of children. Those that deals with the birth of children known as obstetrics. Patient.
Patient.
Patient. Very good. Meaning
someone who receives medical treatment.
Someone that do receive medical treatment is known as a patient. When you are not feeling fine, go to an hospital, to the hospital. Doctors that go to the hospital that is not feeling fine is known as a patient. Pharmacist.
Pharmacist.
Very good. Pharmacist. Pharmacist. Meaning
a person trained to prepare and sell medicines.
Someone that is trained to prepare and sell medicine is known as pharmacist. As a pharmacist. Pharmacy. Pharmacy, meaning
a shop or part of the hospital where medicines are prepared and sold.
The part of hospital or a place where medicine are prepared. They are prepared there. They are also sold there. They do sell them there. It's known as pharmacy. Physiotherapy.
Physiotherapy.
Very good. Physiotherapy, meaning
the treatment of injury or diseases of the joint or muscle.
The treatment of diseases of the joint of muscle is known as physiotherapy. Radiology. Radiology, meaning
deals with X-ray.
Radiology deals with X-ray. Maybe some people that are feeling chest pain now, they go an X-ray. So that process is known as radiology. Surgery.
Surgery,
meaning
Treatment involving cutting open the body to remove or replace some parts.
It's the process of treating the body by cutting the part of the body, maybe the stomach that is disturbing somebody. A surgical doctor will operate that stomach, will tear it and know what is going on. So that process is known as surgery. Theatre,
THEATRE.
theatre, meaning
Where operations are performed. Operating theater.
good morning, Suleiman's fan. Nice to enjoy my life. He said, why do I have nooses on my head? Okay, next time, if you don't like it, I will not do it again. Nice joining here. Thank you very much. Where are you streaming from? So that is theater. Theater meaning,
Where operations are performed.
yes, where operation are performed is known as a theater. Theatre. Very good. Now I want to look at verbs and phrases used in medicine. Some verbs and phrases used in medicine. So I'll ask you a question before. We have done this before. Verbs and phrases used in medicine. So I'll ask some question to know how far you are. Maybe you really learn or not. Somebody with a cold suffers a dash.
Running nose.
Very good. Somebody with a cold suffers a running nose. So there are some drugs that you can use to do or to treat running nose. When you go to what? To the pharmacy. To a pharmacist will give you what? Drug for a running nose, just like Procode and so on. Okay. Doctors dash diseases.
Doctor prescribe.
Doctors dash drugs.
Doctor prescribe.
Very good. Doctor prescribe drugs. As a patient, when you go to the hospital, you complain, you lay your own complaint. Doctors will write some writing for you that these are drugs that you're supposed to take. When you need injection, doctor will also write it. Sometimes doctor that will prescribe to you. That is the best. Go for doctor's what? Prescription. Doctors prescribe drugs. Doctors diagnose diseases. Oh, sorry, I said that. Pharmacists dash drugs.
Pharmacists dispense drugs.
Yes, not the pharmacists that will sell those drugs, they'll give it out. So pharmacists dispense drugs. Bones become dash or dash when there is an accident.
Bone becomes dislocated or fractured.
Very good. Bones become dislocated when there is sudden accident. It will move, it will shift from where it was at the right position. It will shift away from there. That is when accident occurred. So bones do what? Dislocate. So bones become dislocated or fractured when there's an accident. Accident is something that you are not expecting that will happen. The sudden occurrence. Some people suffer asthma dash.
Attack.
Yes, some people suffer asthma attack. Attack suddenly. That's why most asthma patients always go with their what? Inhaler. Very, very important. And drugs anywhere they are going, because it can hold them anywhere. It can happen anywhere. That is asthma patient. And asthma patient don't like dust. Anything dust. So bones become dislocated then. People with heart condition may suffer a dash or dash.
A heart attack or cardiac arrest.
Very good. Heart attack or cardiac arrest. Anybody with what? Heart problem. So if you are feeling all those things, that you are feeling heart attack sometimes, if something is just holding you suddenly, please go for medical checkup immediately. Don't delay. Prevention is better than cure. Some people have dash to certain foods or substances.
Allergic.
Yes, some people have allergies to certain foods or substances. Their body, some people when they eat particular food, it's always disturb them. When you are noticing this kind of thing, stop that particular food immediately when it's repeating itself. Not that your body is allergic to it. Your body doesn't like that particular food. It always causes reaction. It always brings about what? Reaction to that person. So that person should stop such food immediately. Pregnant women have their babies dash in a dash ward.
Delivered in the maternity ward.
Yes, pregnant women have their baby delivered in a maternity ward. Yes, if somebody wants to give birth, they take that person to what? A maternity ward for that person to give birth. Patients dash drugs in dash.
Patient take drugs in dose.
Yes, patient takes drugs in dose. You just want to take drugs anyhow. That doctor's writing that you follow up what the doctor prescribe to you. It's not say take 2 or 1, don't take 5. When you take more than 5, that person have abused that drug, you have misused it. That is drug abuse or drug misuse. What's going on machine, Tatano? So tests are dash on a patient.
Tests are carried out on patient.
Yes, tests are carried out on a patient. When you are feeling somehow, so tests must be carried out. When you go to an hospital to complain, say, okay, go to a lab. When that something is very chronic, for them to know the kind of drugs for you to take that you are going to take. Some patients are dash. Some patients are dash.
Are giving blood transfusion.
Yes, some patients are giving blood transfusion. Maybe that person is at point of death. You need to take, and that person needs drugs. Don't tell me that my pastor say this person is not, is forbidden for it for your child to take and to make use of another person's blood. You are just wasting your time. It's not forbidden. It's not a sin. Blood transfusion. Only God knows which one is a sin. When that child needs it, give that child. I've experienced a person that did not listen to the doctor. At the end of the day, they lose that part, the baby, 3 years old baby that needs drug. They say they don't want to give that child the drug. They don't want blood transfusion. Hi, you know you're welcome. That is a sin. Who told you that is a sin? Blood transfusion. If that child needs it and that child is at point of death, please let that child have the drug transfusion. Patient dash test or dash test.
Patient do blood test or urine test.
So patient do blood test or urine test or stool test. When you're feeling somehow, some people when they're pregnant, they go for blood test or urine test to know how if they are pregnant or not, or when you're not feeling fine and that's something is chronic, you need to do what your blood test. If disease is very chronic. Dash are taken from patients.
Blood samples.
Yes, blood samples are taken from patients before they can test you in nurse or anything. Blood sample will be taken to know how far that something is in your body or to know what is really disturbing that person if that person complain. Doctors dash patient to hospital from another hospital.
Doctor refer patient.
Yes, doctor refer patient to hospital from another hospital. When they are very busy, they can refer that person to another hospital if that person is a critical condition, so that person can do what in order for that person to survive. A patient who is in long period of unconsciousness is in a dash.
Coma.
Yes, it's a coma condition when that person is unconscious. When somebody is in a coma condition, please don't treat that person at home. Let that person be in the hospital. Stay in the hospital. Nurses dash wounds.
Dress wound.
Yes, nurses dress wounds. So those are the verbs and phrases used in medicine. Yes, clap for yourself. You really tried. Verbs and phrases used in medicine. We have done this before. I just asked her to check how far she grabbed. Somebody with a cold suffers a running nose. Doctors prescribe drugs. Doctor diagnoses diseases. Pharmacists dispense drugs. Bones become dislocated or fractured when there is an accident. Some people suffer asthma attacks. People with heart condition may suffer a heart attack or cardiac arrest. Some people have allergies to certain foods or substances. Pregnant women have their babies delivered in a maternity ward. Patients take drugs in doses. Tests are carried out on the patient. Some patients are given blood transfusions. Patients do blood tests or urine tests or stool tests. Blood samples are taken from patients. Doctors refer patients to a hospital from another hospital. Yes, or doctor. A patient who is in a long period of unconsciousness is in a coma, is comatose. Yes. nurses, dress, wounds. So that is that. I'll talk about vocabulary of health and medicine too, where we'll talk about cardiology, dentist, dermatology, and gynecology, matron, mortuary, neurology, obstetrics, orthopedics, orthopedic, pediatrics, patient, pharmacist, pharmacy, physiotherapy, radiology, surgery, and theatre. Yes, we'll continue from here. Thanks for joining my life at 312. Subscribe to my channel. Capital T, capital letter T, small letter E, 312. God bless you all. Have a wonderful day today. A blissful weekend. Bye for now.